Hey guys, it's Matt Morgan here. And today we're going to kickstart your motivation so you can have a successful and happy life. All this content is for you. I want to make sure you go to bed feeling accomplished with the day. Our last video we discussed how we market every day. The simple marketing that we do effortlessly. But what about when you have a project and there's a due date? And you need to market to finish the project. You need to have the right motivation in order to finish that project. Marketing is only powerful if it is done properly. That's where I come in, Matt Morgan, your master marketer. I'm going to show you how to have motivation to market effectively. Speaking of myself for one moment, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. Together we can make this channel into something extraordinary. All because we have one thing in common: marketing. Let's get into today's video. Motivational tip number 1, be open-minded. Being open-minded allows you to open up to new possibilities. New tips and tricks you didn't know before but could help you further down the road. For example, be open-minded when watching this video. Hit that play button with the mindset of wanting to learn something new. Even if you don't want to learn when you hit that play button, at least allow yourself to have the chance to be exposed to a new possibility. It could benefit you more than you think. Now that you understand that, let's move on to motivational tip number 2. Make sure that when you go to start any work or task for the day, that you have a clear mind when doing those tasks. Your brain's not going to be able to motivate itself to do one thing when it's got 1,000 things to focus on. Rather than trying to spread all of your motivation for 1,000 things, focus on one thing at first. It's much more simple to focus on one thing at a time. With that, we're going to move on to motivational tip number 3. Jot it down. When you jot down what you want to get done, your mind is going to get motivated. Why is this? It's because when you write the task down on a piece of paper, or in your phone, or on your laptop, whatever it is, you have now acknowledged there's something to do. When jotting down your notes, it's important to use bright colors. Nothing that will give you a negative vibe when you need to market. A negative vibe won't do anyone any good. So let's keep them somewhere else. If you want more information on how to easily and effectively jot down notes, there's a full video posted on my channel for you. I wouldn't give you something with no information to back up. With that, let's move on to number 4. Make sure that you are reaching Maslow's hierarchy of needs. If you are unfamiliar with this is a chart that represents your life. It sounds very vague just describing it as your life. This chart categorizes your life by 5 stages. The first stage regards your physiological needs. This includes your access to food, water, warmth, rest. It's more of the primary things you need in life to function. The basics. The second stage regards your safety. Do you feel safe? Is your job safe? Is your home safe? Are you in a safe relationship? These are questions you need to ask yourself in order to reach the proper standards of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Why? Because if you answered no to any of those questions, you need to get that aspect of your life safe before you start any marketing. You need to be safe in order to have a clear mind. And remember, a clear mind is important to motivation. This all connects. Number 3 is the love in your life. Do you have a good relationship? Do you have close friends? More questions to ask yourself. Stage 4 focuses on your esteem needs. Do you feel good when you go to bed at night? Do you think you're doing enough? Are you not doing enough? Figure out where you are in life and get to where you want to be. It starts with you. Then finally, stage 5. This is the hardest stage to reach. Most individuals don't reach it, but it's understandable. This is one achieving one's true potential. You've done absolutely all you can in life, you can't get anything more, you've gave everything you've got. Most people don't get there, but you can if you stick around long enough and subscribe to my channel. Now finally, let's end off stage 5 with tip 5. Listen to music. It's shown that your heart rate can match the beat of your music. So if you're listening to happy, upbeat music, guess what? Your heart is going to be upbeat as well. It will motivate you to get stuff done if you are listening to motivational music. That's it for today, guys. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel because I put in all of my effort for these videos for you guys. That's it for today, guys. Down below, I have tagged all my social medias if you're wanting to check those out. Updates, motivational quotes and more waits for you there. Have a great Friday. Also, like I said, subscribe to my channel and like to this video if you enjoyed. Matt Morgan out.